Nominated and selected as a distributor of Ultratech Cement, the best India's choice in Bibinagar, Ghatkesar, Yadadri district. Now I really feel very comfortable because production is very important. But if you produce tons and tons and bags, millions and billions of bags, but if these products are not distributed among the citizens who are indulged in construction work, the production has no meaning. So we are partners with Ultratech. They are producing and I am distributing. That's why I am making one of the largest warehouse, 55 by 75